Nature creates some of our most powerful and sensorial experiences. When in nature, we become immersed. We are acutely tuned into what we see, hear, smell, and feel. Research shows that nature makes us feel calm and de-stressed. Moving through natural spaces creates an intense feeling of well-being. The bike allows us to explore nature in a deep, more connected and meaningful way. It transports us to some of the most remote and beautiful places. It takes us on a journey of discovery, and it creates time out from our busy lives. Nature restores our minds. It provides a space to process thoughts and emotions. Natural spaces provide us with new perspectives. It allows us to cope positively with life's challenges. Nature heals. It reconnects us. We all need nature.